GMCFI College of Law. Magandang umaga po, Sir Tio. Jeffrey K. Erickson is a Master
sa inyong lahat. Sorry,
No, it's
am I
already
audible?
Good afternoon, Mr. Moreno. Naririnig po ba ninyo kami ni Brother Franco at ni Master Judea?
Yes po, loud and clear po.
Okay. Sisimulan po namin ang aming mga pagtatanong bilang bahagi po o naging bahagi ng College of Law bilang estudyante dyan sa Jose Marie College Foundation Incorporated. Ano po ang kalagayan ngayon ng school building na siyang pinag-iinitan nilang wasakin? Hindi lamang i-search ng illegal, kundi wasakin talaga. I-demolish either by bomb explosion or by heavy equipment para durugin ito, believing na nandun si pastor sa underground. What is the status now of the school building na at ang mga estudyante ngayon dahil pasok na? Please update us, Ginoong Teo Moreno.
Yes po, Ka Eric. I'm speaking on behalf of the students of JMCFI College of Law because I'm seeing these students are, their right to education is truly violated by this blatant disregard of the rule of the law. And kahapon I was there. I was talking to the students, and they are now starting their protests against the government. Dahil nga supposedly for this week, they will be having their the culmination of the Buwan ng Wika. And then some of the examinations are scheduled this week and next week, but then they cannot do it face to face, Ka Eric, dahil nga occupied pa ng mga police officers yung entire compound ng KOJC. So as a student, as a former student of the College of Law, I would say really na this is a harassment not only to the KOJC members but to every student from the JMCFI, regardless of their political belief, religions, and the groups that they are currently in, Ka Eric.
Maraming salamat, Ginong Teo, na nagpaunlak ka ng live interview na ito sapagkat we will also call out right now habang kausap ka namin si Commission on Higher Education Chairperson Prospero de Vera. Sakop kasi nila ang tertiary level. And also ang DepEd Secretary Sani Angara kasi may elementary ito. Tama ba? May elementary, may high school.
Correct.
Tama. So we're calling out
tama po.
Ginoong Teo Moreno through this interview, then babalikan ka namin ni Brother Franco at ni Master Judea. Pero bago ko lang makalimutan, attention po, public call out ng Sambayan ng Pilipino kay Commission on Higher Education Chairperson Prospero de Vera na may sakop sa college level ng supervision ng mga schools at newly designated Department of Education Secretary Sani Angara. Puntahan po ninyo please. Please, puntahan ninyo ang kalagayan ngayon ng Jose Marie College Foundation dahil pinigilan pong makabalik sa pag-aaral nila ang mga kabataan at mga estudyante ng iligal na pangungubkob at paninira ng mga properties at pananakot at ang terror of state terrorism na ginagawa ngayon ng mga pulis laban sa mga kabataan. Please, Sani Angara, dating senador at ngayon DepEd Secretary Angara, and balik ko kay DepEd Chairman Popoy de Vera, puntahan po ninyo at ipatigil ang kabaliwan na ito ng mga teroristang pulis na ginamit ni Marcos Jr. Mr. Teo, second question namin. Wala po ba kayong balak kasi baka pagpupukpukin at kakalad ka rin ang mga kabataan dyan at mga estudyante at tinitingnan nila na bahagi lahat ito ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ sa kaalaman ng buong bansa at ng mga nanonood ngayon, hindi lahat ng nag-aaral at nag-i-enroll sa Jose Marie College Foundation ay bahagi at kapanalig ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Tama po ba?
Tama po yan. Personally, I'm not a member of the KOJC and I'm also not a follower of Pastor Quiboloy. But I respect their religion. I respect the people inside the KOJC compound po, Ka Eric. And you know what? Marami na pong mga estudyante ang nagre-react, especially the College of Law, dahil nga po may mga videos circulating online ngayon na kung saan pinagtatawanan nila yung moot court namin sa College of Law, which we respect and we treat with high regard. So aside from that, there are also students from the medical, the College of Medicine ng JMCFI po, Ka Eric, na kung saan medyo galit na din sila sa mga pangyayari ngayon because yung mga laboratories nila inside are also compromised na din po. So ito din, as a former student of GMCFI, yes, tama, we are calling out the DepEd, the SHED, and also the the Legal Education Board po.
Yes.
Kasi nga, ang tahimik po nila ngayon. We are here advocating for education po, for the right to education ng ating mga students po from JMCFI. And yun lang po yung hinahanap po namin dito. Ang tahimik po kasi nila.
Ginong Teo, very timely po ang interview na ito sapagkat even in war, nagyera yun hindi po pwedeng ibombahan ng magkalabang panig ang mga eskwelahan at ospital. Bawal po yun. Ito ngayon, wala tayo sa digmaan. Civilian compound, church compound, religious and prayer compound, school buildings, winawasak, sinasalaula. Mr. Teo Moreno, sir, without imposing on you, can you officially lead the petition of students ng kabataang estudyante ng Davao at ng Jose Maria College Foundation addressing it to Mr. Marcos to stop this madness na wasakin ang paaralan ninyo bago bombahan ito ng kalokohan nila na magkakabit ng C4 bomb, nagpakuha na ng backhoe at bulldozer si Torre, ayon sa ulat, nag-mobilize na lang, hindi lang jackhammer, bulldozer at backhoe na ang gagamitin niya. Bago nila gawin ito, ang kabastusan sa zone of peace ng kabataan, can you immediately please, without imposing, but appealing to you, make simple na